today's competition. Look at this thing. Got the coilovers on, guys. All right, guys, just checking my fluids real quick. Got some coilover creaking right here. Not really a fan of that. We're taking a trip over to Mexico, and tonight we're going to be running a 2006 Subaru WRX STI with a slight tune. I think he said he's stage 1, intake, downpipe, and I think a catback exhaust. So I'm probably going to get smoked, but I don't know why. I'm ready. Like, I'm ready for this race. Hope you guys enjoy this. Be sure to give me a like. If I win this race, guys, I'll post some more fun runs. If I lose, it's probably going to be it for a while. Also, guys, I have to be careful patching my tire right here. You guys can see that. So it's a little sketchy, but it is what it is. I'm about to pull into the meetup location now. Look at this thing. 06 STI. We're going to do a 40 roll, 50, and then we'll do a 60 roll. So make sure you guys are liking this video. 40. Another 40. To keep with all-wheel drive 300 horsepower, man. That thing's just different breed, man. The K24 definitely held its own, guys. I took some of your advice. I dropped down and did some 40 rolls. It was fun as hell, but I still took the L, so I'm gonna be taking a break for a while. Give it a little rev. Damn, dude. Already knew the outcome, but fact of the matter was, I mean, dude, that was solid, right?
That was awesome.
Nice front, dude.
It was holding its own.
Hell yeah, dude. So, gotta give it some love. Gotta give it some love for the STI. And why don't you go ahead and tell them what your IG is?
It's Kieran_Runyon. My car Instagram.
I'll drop it down below.
_vape juice.
Hope you guys like. Drop all your comments down below. And be sure to subscribe if you want to see more. He wants to have 400 horsepower.
400 horse.
He wants to be the 400 horsepower club. This thing with 400 horse though would be like insane. Yeah, it'd be insane. Like,
got a catless downpipe, so I don't know if you've seen fire or not, but it shoots fire.
Little simple intake setup right here. Is this Cobb tuned?
No, it was done by a shop.
A shop, okay.
It wasn't dyno tuned. They just pulled out the laptop and did it.
Gotcha. And how long have you had this car for?
Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
Damn.
New to me.
He's got to keep me posted on the reliability. I mean, I've always wanted one of these, bro. Like, I straight up, like a 05, that's my year.